The Waldmann Head LED is a surface mount LED floodlight in a compact but powerful package. An 11-watt LED is housed in a diameter smaller than 2 inches. It is available in 70-degree and 100-degree beam angles and is designed for a wide area flood distribution. This light is impact and vibration resistant and features safety glass and a hard-coated housing. It is also IP67 rated and is capable of 50,000 hours of maintenance-free operation. It is designed for integration into machines and equipment that require a low-voltage, fixed, high-output light beam, specially designed by Waldmann. An M12 connector is included, but please note that a 700 milliamp constant current LED driver is required for operation and is sold separately. You can view our full selection of Waldmann products at galco.com.